If Claude AI keeps showing a download failed error, don't worry, because this is usually caused by a small issue with your internet connection, browser, or security settings. The good news is that most of the time it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude AI download failed. Whether you're trying to download files, generated documents, or attachments from Claude AI, these methods should help solve the problem. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you should check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons downloads fail unexpectedly. Try opening a few other websites in your browser and see if they load properly. If pages are loading slowly or not loading at all, then your connection may be the problem. If possible, switch to a different network. For example, if you're currently using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or another internet connection. And if you're on mobile data, connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network may help improve download reliability. Sometimes, simply reconnecting to the internet can instantly fix the issue. Now, if your connection seems fine, the next thing to try is restarting your device. It may sound simple, but restarting your computer or phone can clear temporary glitches that interfere with downloads. Go ahead and fully restart your device. After it powers back on, reopen your browser, return to Claude AI, and try downloading the file again. A restart refreshes background processes and can fix hidden issues without requiring any advanced troubleshooting. If the download still fails, the next thing to check is your firewall or antivirus software. Security programs are designed to protect your device, but occasionally they can mistakenly block safe downloads from websites or AI platforms. Try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software for a moment, then test the download again. If the file downloads successfully after disabling the security software, then you've likely found the cause. In that case, you may need to add Claude AI or your browser to the trusted or allowed list inside your security settings. Just remember to turn your antivirus or firewall back on after testing, so your device stays protected. Now, let's move on to another very common fix: clearing your browser cache and cookies. Your browser stores temporary data to help websites load faster, but over time, corrupted cache files or old session data can create download problems. To fix this, open your browser settings and look for the option called Clear Browsing Data. Select Cache and Cookies, then clear them. After that, completely close your browser and reopen it. Now head back to Claude AI and try downloading the file again. This gives your browser a clean session and often resolves strange download errors immediately. Another useful thing you can try is using a different browser entirely. For example, if the download fails in Chrome, test it in Edge, Firefox, or another browser. Sometimes browser extensions or compatibility issues can interfere with downloads without you realizing it. You can also try using incognito or private browsing mode, since it disables most extensions and temporary session data automatically. And if none of these methods work, the issue may simply be temporary server problems on Claude AI's side. Sometimes downloads fail because their servers are overloaded or experiencing delays. In that case, waiting a few minutes and trying again later is often enough to solve the problem. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to fix Claude AI download failed errors quickly and easily. Hopefully one of these methods helped you get your downloads working properly again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and easy tech how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.